In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a restaurant menu page in Wix. If you've been thinking about expanding your online presence by showcasing your restaurant's delicious offerings, this is the place to start. Creating a digital menu on Wix is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to add the Restaurant Menus app to your Wix site. Start by opening your website's editor. Look to the left side menu and click on Add Elements. Under this section, select Restaurants and then drag the Menus element onto your page. If you haven't installed this app yet, you might need to do so first. Alternatively, you can head over to your site's dashboard, navigate directly to Restaurant Menus, New, and you'll see an option to click on plus Add Menu. Choose whichever method you find more convenient. Once you've set up your menu, it's time to add some content. To do this, go back to the dashboard, locate the menu you just created, and give it a tap to open. Here, you'll see an option labeled plus Add Section. This is where you can organize your menu by categories, such as lunch or dinner. After you've set up your sections, you're ready to tap Add Item and start listing those delectable dishes under each category. Now let's get into the details of your menu. For each section, make sure to add a descriptive name. As for the items, you'll want to include a name, a detailed description, and of course, a price. To better guide your diners, consider using item labels to highlight important attributes like spicy, vegan, or gluten-free. And don't forget, you can add mouth-watering images of each menu item through the settings, which can really help to entice potential customers. After your items are in place, it's time to customize and style your menu to make it uniquely yours. In the editor, select the Menus element on your page and click on Settings. This is where you can really tailor the layout to suit your brand's aesthetic. Choose from different layout options like columns or split views to see what works best for your content. You can further customize text style, alignment, and color to make sure it aligns with your restaurant's brand identity. If you'd like, you can even add a background to your menu element for that extra touch of style. And there you have it, a beautifully designed restaurant menu that stands out. Follow these steps and you'll have a professional, eye-catching menu on your Wix site in no time. Thanks for joining and happy designing.